and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and you may have seen my unboxing from Diamond Art Studio the other week. I did purchase Ozzy, well, his name's Ozzy, I've renamed him Jeffrey the Giraffe, from Splatterworks. So they have a partnership and work with Splatterworks to produce some of their paintings as diamond paintings. And I've kind of got addicted to all the cute animals. I think there's only one I've not got. But I did purchase another one. And I know they have more coming. It's going to cost me a fortune. But anyway, I'm still very happy and I don't mind because I like them. So this is the other one that I got. So I know I shared the giraffe on the group and did say that had given in and purchased it. I did purchase another one as well. And I feel like I don't want to unbox it, but I also do want to unbox it because this wrapping is amazing. I've been wrapping the diamond paintings recently. Recently. It's still very much in my memory. I've been wrapping the diamond paintings that we did as a partnership, our Zesty Wolf, and mine were not wrapped as amazing as this. I will definitely say that. But see, look, I managed to get that out without trashing it, really. I ripped it a little bit, but not too much. But yeah, I had to get the other Splatterworks that was about the pug. I do think Jeffrey is amazing, as well as my Mr. Quackers that I already have, but he was adorable as well. So, and I like the fact that he was a few different colours to go with it and a different size. So I ordered him in the square. I did state that I didn't need a toolkit. So there isn't a toolkit in this because I didn't need one. But look, this is a 50 by 50. It has 30 colours. And when they say 50 by 50, it is a true 50 by 50. Even though it's a poured glue, they do give the size as the actual diamond painting size. But look at how like the little tufts of hair show through on the, is it rendering? No, the rendering is the example that you can see on the website. Anyway, the amazing charting that they do. Look, you can see the hair that makes up the dog. And yeah, just the fact that the face is popping up from the corner, I just thought it was amazing. There's still quite a bit of 5200 in blockiness. I would probably start this painting upside down so that I would have all this exciting different amount of colour to do afterwards, and get, you know, the bulk of the white done at the beginning. But blocking colouring really doesn't bother me, especially if the picture's worth it. And I think he's worth it. What is it? Is it PugChops he's called? Let me just have a quick look. I'm pretty sure their official name for him is PugChops. And I think I'm actually maybe going to stick with that one. I don't know why this doesn't automatically come up because I've been on here already today. Okay. And now my internet's not working in here. Oh yes, it is. It's giving me a moment. Okay, Splatterworks. Yes, he is called PugChops. Oh, sorry, there's two I actually don't have. There's two of them that I don't have. But I have 3 out of 5 now. Maybe it gives me options for the future, we'll see. I need to get these ones finished. I say that when they send out new ones, I may end up getting them anyway. But look at the colours in this one. So there's only 4 bags of 5200 in this one, so there is less than the other 2 that I've got. But look at those oranges. Right, it's amazing how much orange there is. Excuse me. To get all the hair and stuff in there. But look at the confetti type. When you look at it really, really close up and the symbols. To me, that's, you know, I love confetti as much as I love block. I really do like both. And there are different times when I'm working on stuff that I prefer one over the other. Sometimes I just love to tip diamonds in a tray and just dot and not think about it. So I really like these splatter works because you get the odd little bit of colour to stop you getting too bored. Or for me anyway, just gives me that little bit but not too much, and I can just do all the white if I want. Yeah, there's some gorgeous pinks and stuff in there as well. Pinks and tones of purple, which I'm guessing is mainly down here on the tongue. And some burgundy. Oh, that's actually, there's a lot of burgundy in here. There's even some bits of pink in here. But that is how you get the look of the hair. Oh, they do this so well. But yeah. So that is my diamonds for it. And yeah, PugChops, PugChops, the little pug. Isn't he adorable? There are a few other artists that they have on there as well, which I do really, really like. But Splatterworks just keeps winning every time for me. I absolutely adore the paintings that I have. And I need to get on so that I can do the next one, because these are the paintings at the moment that make me smile. But I'll pop a link down below, of course, to PugChops. Don't forget to have a look at the discount code that is down below as well. Make sure that you get a little bit extra off your order. They do ship international. There is a free shipping amount if you spend a certain amount, so maybe treat yourself to a few of the Splatterworks family, or maybe, is it Vicky Dawson? Let me just check the name because I am really bad with names. Vicky Davidson. Okay, very close. There's also the artist Vicky Davidson as well, that they've got some amazing images for. Maybe treat yourself to a couple for Christmas. You're worth it. Anyway, I get so excited when I see these paintings, even though I need to finish Mr. Quacker's. But yeah, if you do want to treat yourself, don't forget the discount code. If not, join in the excitement with me, because once I finish Mr. Quacker's, I get to choose who to kit up next. And you can see the picture come to life along with me. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.